There's our frame right over there, hot off the press. And that's rain. He's making it. It's gonna be shiny. Prepping for the trip. It was quite an ordeal. There was a lot that went into it. We didn't rent really anything for this trip. Everything we had to do, we had to supply ourselves. So there was a lot of planning and preparation that went into it as far as boats, equipment, frames, storage for the food, menu planning, shopping, packing, refrigeration, coolers, like all of it. So there was a lot of work.
It's a lot of hard work, but the reward is absolutely worth it.
If you guys only knew what went into getting this thing cut up.
This has got a nice...
We weren't thinking ahead. What about these skewers?
What will they do?
Holy shaky. You weren't joking.
Oh my god. Hold my beer, watch this.
So that's the way you cut a gun.
Good to go. Just because there is another trip, we got to make sure there's enough room for them on the ramp, and only 2 vehicles at a time.
We'll just put everything in piles. So like all the ammo cans in one pile, all the PFDs in one pile.
I have to say most of the credit to just obtaining the permit was probably goes to Izzy, because she like told me, she's like, hey, you know, I think it'd be really cool to go on a Grand Canyon trip with you, and you've got really good odds of getting a permit because you've never been. And